So the same thing as we was referring to in our Tafsir class, that Kulsum, Kulsum bint Uqba ibn Abi Mu'ayt, Kulsum, daughter of Uqba ibn Abi Mu'ayt, she came, which is ayah number 10 of Surah Al Mumtahina. Which says, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O you who believe, Iza jaakumul mu'minatu, when there come to you al-mu'minatu, the mu'min woman, muhajiratin, migrating to Medina, famtahinuhunna, so examine them. What? Examine them. Allah alam bi imanihinna, fa in alimtumunna mu'minatin, so if alimtumuhunna, if you knew them based on your test and examination, that they are mu'mina, fala tarji'unna ilal kuffari, don't give them back to the kafir, la hunna hillul lahum, they are not lawful for them, wala hum yahillu, because a Muslima cannot be the wife of a kafir. Got it?
Yeah.
So if you will return them, so then she has to live with her kafir husband, that is not allowed. Wa'atu manfaqu. So they will be saying, because at that time the culture was that they were giving big amount